All right, hey, so I'm trying something different. So tonight, my husband and I are making General Tso's cauliflower. So let's see how it goes. Our sauce, it looks like I need to toot sweet and add my ingredients, which will be right here. So, I better hurry up and do it. So here I go. Saucepan, I have some soy sauce and some sugar. Pan over here to boil, and we're gonna wait until the sugar is dissolved here, and so we will see how that goes. And reckon I better pay attention before I burn it. So now it's been a minute or so, and the sugar is hopefully dissolved, and I'm gonna show you real quick here. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, anyway, I don't want to burn anything. So it's dissolved. And let's see what goes in next. Something fragrant, it smells yummy. So then we're gonna take some cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, water that he's already mixed here. So we're gonna put it in here, and I reckon this just thickens everything. So whisk the mixture together until it boils, and then let's whisk it with this. Always clean up before you, in between each thing, right? So your dishes aren't so bad when you're getting ready to clean up after you're done. So, okay, so we're whisking. So always refer back to the recipe to make sure you kind of know what you're doing. So boiling sauce until thicken, about 1 minute, remove from heat, and cover and keep warm. All right, that's my mission. I'm gonna try to do that. Be back shortly. You know what? I think I should have read this recipe all the way, because it's telling me I need to fill this huge Dutch oven up with halfway up with peanut butter, peanut oil, and it looks like we're gonna fry the cauliflower. Didn't think that through. So we're gonna see how it goes. So the peanut oil is cooking, it's heating. So then who knows what 350 degrees is, because I don't have a thermometer to go in there. So I reckon when I put some water in there and it splatters, it's hot. Then I've got wire rack here that's ready to go. As you can see down here, I've got my eggs. So I'm going to beat the eggs in a large bowl with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and some pepper. I'm going to add the cauliflower things right here. So as you can see, these guys are right here. I'm bending over because the camera's going to follow me. And then we'll see how it goes. So wish me luck. All right, so now it's time to add the cauliflower to the egg batter. And meantime, my husband's cooking the, what are we making?
Spicy Szechuan Green Beans.
Spicy Szechuan Green Beans. And then hopefully it'll turn out okay. Anyway, hold on just a second. All right, so now I'm going to put some cornstarch over this, because it says sprinkle the remaining 3/4 cup cornstarch a little bit at a time until the cauliflower is well coated. So I have to do this in batches. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I only have a 1/4 cup, so we're going to do a little bit at a time, right? How's that work? I don't know. And then he's in the background cooking green beans. We'll see. Well, note to self, when you're doing a recipe, kind of look ahead and see if you have everything, because I don't think I have enough cornstarch, but it is what it is. So I did the test to see if it's ready, and it bubbled, sprinkled. So we're gonna go ahead and put in the, let's see, move this out of the way. And we're gonna go ahead and put in the cauliflower in. Oh. So I did lower the temperature, so I'm not going to get all sparked and stuff. And do we have enough peanut oil? No. But we'll just flip the cauliflower and we'll figure it out. Here is the first batch of the cauliflower. Ooh, look at that, how golden brown. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on the cooling rack right here, and then we'll do the next batch in just a second. Bye. Okay, so we are reheating the sauce for it to be tossed in. And then here's some more cauliflower being done, and then Duane already has rice, and then here's the green beans, Szechuan green beans. Fingers crossed. I'll let you know how it goes. over there. Right. I'm excited. It's almost over. Well, we'll see how it goes. Bye. That last bit of cauliflower is cooking. So as you can see, our kitchen is, good size. But, when you're cooking and you have to do things simultaneously, you kind of have to have a sink and whatnot. And so I think we did a good job sharing the stove and the sink and the countertop or whatnot. So when you're thinking about buying a house, what kind of kitchen are you looking for? Let me know in the comments below. Recipe I've had for a really long time. So I got it from, let me see what this says. Food Network Kitchen. Oh my gosh. It's probably when we lived in Virginia, like umpteen million years ago. But if you want this recipe, I will be happy to scan it in and give credit to Food Network Kitchen. Just make sure you have the right supplies, because we didn't have a deep fry thermometer, but how was it serving? So check it out.
Appetito.
All right, there we go, as you can see from earlier. And then he's had some yummy.
Yummy.
Okay, let's give it a go. It's hot. I'm not eating the pepper, so don't ask. Wow, that really is good. I did a good job. Let's try the green beans next.
Green beans are the bomb.
Okay. Szechuan green beans. Oops. Thumbs up.